samosa kebab, operation kebab, mayonnaise kebab cutlet. We've shared all these recipes with you straight from the caterer's kitchen. But in this video, we'll share 3 more recipes that are made from minced meat. You'll be able to make all these starters. First, we'll show you how to make the minced meat. Then we'll show you how to make the starters. Watch the whole video, don't skip.
Regular 5 kilos of chicken.
Now,
What are you doing with the spices in the meat?
setting.
Yes. Full ride.
What's this?
Making it when you mean. Salt. White pepper, 5 kilos. These 2 handfuls are separate. This is tandoori masala. Tandoori masala.
5 kilos went out.
Tandoori masala and white pepper went into the minced chicken.
And mint,
Now we're adding the testing powder. What's this you're adding to the coriander? A good amount of coriander went into the dish. And chili. Now we're adding garlic. Garlic and ginger. Mixing it well. Okay, just 5
kilos.
You have to take everything approximately. A rule will be made, a delicious chutney kebab will be made, and a tasty sandwich will be made as well. Today we'll make Gulab E Khaas, Monica Bappin sandwich, Shaahi Roll. We mix the minced meat with mayo that we made. Just add some color to it and it will be complete. What is being made from this? Gulab E Khaas. Gulab is special. As the name suggests, Gulab E Khaas, so red color is mandatory. Now the minced meat Kamal Bhai took at the start will also be used to make sandwiches. What will you do by making a hole in this? Later, okay? What's this? Breadcrumbs not in this. At Medina Caterers in Anand Nagar, their number is good. The good thing is that you can call Medina Caterers and send iftar items to the Medina Mosque in Pashi. Call them directly, okay? Once again, we need to follow the same process. We have to dip it in egg. This is Gulab E Khaas.
Means iftar will be made, a very special answer will be made, Gulab E Khaas. From the same base minced meat, we made mayo kebabs before and now Gulab E Khaas is being made from it and many more items will be made. So stay tuned, keep watching, don't skip. And please share the video as much as you possibly can and take care of the channel. Bei Bastia. You can fry Gulab E Khaas in 2 ways. First half done, meaning fry for 5 minutes and keep it. Then before eating, take it out 5 minutes before and deep fry it, or directly deep fry for 10 minutes and eat it directly. It's up to you depending on your hunger. Now I'll tell you the delicious recipe for both Shaahi Roll and chicken sandwich, so keep watching and stay tuned.
Now the minced meat Kamal Bhai took at the start will also be used to make sandwiches. Roll chicken items. These small balls, who will make them? Selling for 20 rupees. These are for Shaahi Roll, and the big ones are for sandwiches, and the small ones are for Shaahi Roll. You have to take a plastic sheet like this, apply oil on it, and then spread the minced meat we made like this. And you spread it. What's this royal roll? This is a sandwich. Very interesting. And they're adding cheese too. How much does this cost?
20 rupees, yes, 20 rupees.
Normally it costs 80 rupees there, but you made it a starter so everyone can enjoy it. They made the size a bit smaller, but at just 20 rupees it's still affordable for everyone. This is made with good intentions by Medina Caterers. Just look at how amazing it turned out in the end. You have to cut it like this. This is the technique. See, with great care, and now it's ready. We'll show it once, holding it in hand, the sandwich. So after making it, this happens inside. There's cheese available, but it won't melt when you try to fry it today. Now bread, crab, and egg will be added to it. On the sandwich we made, now this yellow breadcrumbs will be added. A little egg for the return. And this is how you make the sandwich.
Deep fry it for approximately 5 to 10 minutes, and then you can go ahead and enjoy it to your heart's content. Big.
Interesting, it's ready. Love you don't know love, bring the other item. New royal roll. Take the small one you mentioned, spread it like this. How much is the royal roll? You mentioned 20 rupees, and our sandwich is also priced at 20 rupees. If we make it with full cheese, the total will come to 60 rupees. But keeping Ramadan in mind so everyone can afford it. For party orders, you can tell us how you want it made. So roll it like this. And you put it on the crumbs.
So you saw from one base schema, we made so many starters, and you can also make all these starters through this scheme. Prepare these delightful royal rolls and invite everyone to a grand royal feast. Before you proceed to deep fry the royal roll, make sure to dip it thoroughly in beaten egg. Then, carefully fry it in hot oil, and after deep frying for approximately 5 minutes, you can savor the delicious royal roll. On your channel, Kind of Production, there are yummy biryanis and many other Ramadan starters. Please share this with everyone and make sure to take good care of this channel. Friends, you can now see the number of Medina Caterers on the screen. They also make starters, take wedding orders, and of course make yummy biryanis. So if you want, you can call them and place an order directly.